Hey there, fellow snack enthusiasts. Today, I want to take a moment to talk about something that brings me immense joy, PopCorners chips. And no, this wasn't sponsored by them. Anyway, let me tell you, these little triangles of deliciousness have stolen my heart, and I'm here to share why I love them so much. First and foremost, the taste. Oh boy, these chips are incredibly flavorful. Every bite is like a burst of pure joy in my mouth. Whether you prefer the classic buttery flavor or the tangy cheddar, or my favorite, the sweet kettle corn, PopCorners has a range of flavors to satisfy any craving. But it's not just the taste that sets PopCorners apart, it's the texture. These chips are perfectly popped, giving them a light and airy crunch that's absolutely addictive. They're not greasy like traditional chips, which makes them a guilt-free snack option for any time of the day. I can't help but mention the convenience factor too. The packaging is resealable, so you can enjoy a few chips and save the rest for later without worrying about them going stale. It's perfect for on-the-go snacking, or when you just need a quick and satisfying treat. And here's the best part. PopCorners chips are made with better-for-you ingredients. They're gluten-free, non-GMO, and contain no artificial flavors or preservatives. So you can indulge in a snack that not only tastes amazing, but also aligns with your health-conscious lifestyle. So my fellow snack lovers, I highly recommend giving PopCorners chips a try. They've become a staple in my pantry, and I guarantee they'll become a favorite in your snack lineup too. Trust me, once you experience the incredible taste, the delightful crunch, and the guilt-free satisfaction, you won't be able to resist them. I've added the link in the description box below if you want to get them. Go ahead, grab yourself a bag of PopCorners chips and join me in the snack time love affair. Trust me, you won't regret it. Here's to snacking happiness. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you like more videos like these. Thanks for watching.